Welcome to the channel, and today we will do that, whatever that is going on. So I wanted to connect my outdoor lights for decoration in outdoor plug, but it's turned out to be connected like that, which is, I never seen it before. Like, that's regular one. That's something like crazy stuff. So I would replace that connector with something like that and hope for the best. I would not be electrocuted. So yeah, we start with, yes, I could find the extension cord or like adapter or something like that to switch from one socket to another, one plug to another, but I did it twice. First time it was too big, second time it also was too big, and I didn't find any of my regular size, which is probably 15A or more accurate, that like number like that. So yeah, wish me luck. Oh God. It's not safe, like as far from safe as possible, so please be careful. I don't even know if it can be done. I don't know how to open it. That's not the... Is that how it's done? No. Why am I doing this? Well, because I don't want to wait for a long time to get the right size adapter delivered to my door. So, and that's how you do it. Don't do that. But that's how you do it. This definitely should be a more efficient way to do that. Like, I did find a cord with exposed connections, but it was on the wrong side. I also don't want to damage any cables because, well, it would be defeating the purpose. Appa, appa! Oh, just piece flies somewhere away, and I'm glad it didn't hit me in the eye. Okay, so there we go. Green for the ground, white for left, black for right. Now well, as careful as possible. Now I need to replace that one with this little boy. And to do that we have special instructions, so I'm like following instructions. Okay, so first I need to alright, unscrew it all. That's to hold it together. That's where I put my cable. Now I need to unscrew the street screws to detach one base from another. Hoppa. Okay, well, that was easy. Just need to go through it. We'll just try to stick it in. Pum pum. Alright, so I need to... For that, I will be using my special tool. Hop. Hop. Alright, so I do have 3 cables now. Good. That's the first step. Well, I guess it's almost the last step. Um, how do I know which one is ground? Green, silver, and brass. Okay, that's why you need to like do more research before you start doing stuff like that, because I have white, black, and green. And according to the instruction, I have just green, silver, and brass. On another side, brass might be white. No, brass would be probably green. So silver is a neutral. What we know that black is no green is a ground. That's all what we need to know. And green, well, here you can see the green goes to green. Green, green. Makes sense, right? Okay, cool. Not just me. Oh, nice. That's safe. Smart thinking. Okay. Now I need to loose this ties so I can stick it in. Loose, loose. All right. Now, how deep is your love? It's like the ocean. It's unsafe. You're not supposed to do it that way, but that's the best I know. Okay. Well, that's not that hard, so. Okay. And try not to destroy all your connection, because that's well, it's a crucial. Just like me, just burned it. Like talk the talk, not walk the walk, or whatever you can say. All right, so cut it up. Now next one. I don't even know if I can see it on that stuff, so I'll just do it here. Up, clean. Okay, and one more left. All right. So yeah, I'm doing just because I cannot find right adapter or something like that. Also because it's fun. Mostly because it's fun. Because I definitely can find it online. But if it's wrong, I have to send it back and then wait again. And yeah, I'll just do that instead. So now I guess I need to cut it a little bit deeper. This one to have more exposure. Someone might say, well, it's not safe. Yes, that's not safe. And I don't know why you keep watching, so. just don't do that. Okay, so green to green. Green, connect to green, boom. Holding, and according to instruction, back out terminal screws, reattach. Okay, but how do I know which one is which? Like, is it set, gauge? So they're basically the same, right? Like one is big, one is small, but it's the same. Twist it. Oh yeah, the fun part. I don't even know if that outlet wall plug is working. So yeah. According to instruction, it need to be screwed enough for 14 pound of pull, which is like, I don't even know why you would go by pounds, but well, I guess because it's whatever. Just be with me, okay? Thank you for your attention and for spending this wonderful time with me. Of all possible options, you choose me. That means something. Hop. And screw in. Ba-bam. Oh. So, hop. Oh, wow. Just need to turn it around. Cool. Alright, well, now oh, that was super easy. Wow. Now hop, na na na, hop, na 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 na, hop, na na na. Do I need to cut it off somehow? Or I just go violent and screw it in? No, I think this need to be, yep. Hop, hop. Oops. Oops, I did it again. That seems so unsafe. Like, why is it going that one? and I'm doing one side and then another just so it's more symmetric. Oh god, that's cable cage. Alright, but that seemed wrong. Like I'm just squeezing it down. I guess that's a trick. They can be flattened out, and so they hold it not just by the Alright, that's almost done. So well, there you go. That's how you change it from flats to twisted. Thank you for your attention. Now I'll go and check if it did work. A quick update. So there's my plug. Okay. Boom. Now I need to align it. Bam. Plugged in. Here is a stuff, the smallest that I can find to try. Hop. You can see, light up. I did it. Yes, so everything worked out and now we have outdoor lights. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.